Hey there everyone, welcome back to Technoholic. On this channel, you'll learn how to create your own AI character, des fois, just like me. See how I can change the frame instantly? Now I'm here in India, surrounded by vibrant colors and a buzzing local market. And now, Machu Picchu in Peru. This is AI storytelling in action, and I'll show you how to build this step by step.
Okay, so let's get started with generation of our model first. And for that, let me open browser and type gemini.google.com. And in order to generate the perfect model, what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna give you a prompt. And here is the template which I'm going to use to generate this model, where you can define the gender, age range, skin tone, eye color, hair length, and then these are some of additional detail. Okay. And based on this format, I have created the following prompt where we can see the subject and other features. Okay. So now let me hit submit. And there we go. We have generated our blogger model. And now what I'm going to do here is let's download this model. And now let's move towards step number 2, which is Flow. So let me open Google Flow. And now we need to click here on new project. And there we go. So here we have option to create a prompt in different way. We need to select frame to video. And now the downloaded picture will be our first frame. And here we have got this Gemini generated picture. So I'm going to select that. And now let's click here on crop and save. Now after, let's move on to ChatGPT, where I have asked ChatGPT to create story. Okay. And then I created this story in this JSON format, which Google Veo or Imagen properly understand. So here is the script, here is the background, character and tone. Okay. And then here you can see is scene number 2 and this is scene number 3. So let's generate scene number 1 first. And I am going to copy it from here to here. Now let's paste this script here. And let's wait. Now you also need to make sure that you have selected VO3 fast. And then from here, I would recommend you to go with, output per prompt as 1, because if you go with, let's say 4, it will create 4 different variants, but will consume your 80 credits. And there we go. Our video is ready. Let me play this.
Hey there everyone, welcome back to Technoholic. On this channel, you'll learn how to create your own AI character, des fois, just like me.
Video is created. Now the next thing here we need to do is we need to go back to ChatGPT, and here was the background scene number 2. Okay, so I'm gonna copy this, and then I'm going to come here in Gemini, and then I'm gonna say this to Gemini, which is change the image background to the following. Now what you will realize is pure magic. I mean, there won't be any changes to our character, but the background or the scene will be changed. And there we go. You can see the character looks exactly same. So maybe now I also would like to add some distance here. So I'm gonna say here, please make character 1.5 meter far away from the frame. So just I want, the character needs to be a little bit back so that, it looks more natural. And sometimes, this AI really create problem in order to make the picture horizontal, despite the Gemini keep on saying. So what you need to do is, simply download the picture that we had, and now I'm gonna re-upload that. Okay, and now I'm going to make sure that I have chosen the Banana Nano, and now here I'm gonna say I do not want close up, make character 1.5 meter away from the frame. Okay, and there we go. Now it looks better, or the way I wanted. And you can see, the character remains same here in both the pictures. Now let me get this picture here, and again I'm gonna click on crop and save, and I am going to paste the next script, and let's hit enter. And one more good thing I wanted to show you, if you only generate one clip, which is you can upscale your generated video from HD to full HD, which is really nice. And here you can see I am upscaling our first generated clip. And the good thing here is upscaling will not going to cost you any credit. And finally here we have got this video. Let's play.
See how I can change the frame instantly? Now I'm here in India, surrounded by vibrant colors and a buzzing local market.
So you can see the character is same, but the location is different. And let's say you would like to continue this whole blogging thing, then what you can do here is you can click on add to scene. And now you need to do is you need to simply drag this till the end. And now again you need to select frame to video, and now here you need to click on save frame as asset. Now this is this last scene frame, so let me select this as first frame. Now I am going back here to ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT generate new frame or new sequence. The character is roaming in the market asking for the price of certain thing from shopkeepers. Also, I do not want thing blur, so maybe we need to change how the camera look. And then I'm gonna say here is my previous frame. Okay, now let's see what it come up with. So here I have not created any story yet. In your case, maybe you can create story and then ask ChatGPT to create all the prompt for you. And then here you can see, let me copy this and paste it here. And maybe I need to change this a little bit. I'm gonna say, let me ask, let's do shopping. And then it's not like you only need to speak in one language. You can also change the language. Now let me hit generate, and let's see how it will be able to generate. Okay, so finally here we can see we have generated our new frame. And okay, so now seems like our frame is ready. So let's play this.
$450, madam.
Can you do 350? See how I can change the frame instantly?
Now you just saw how she moved from the same frame. So in this way, guys, you can create a continuous blog, and then from here you can simply export it. Now we already have gone through two different scenes. Now let me again go back to Gemini, and this time I would like to generate a scene where this character is at another location, and I want her to be in Peru. Let's change the location to Peru, where the blogger is visiting Machu Picchu. Now let's see the magic. And there we go. So let me download this image, and again I'm gonna say frame to video, and then I am going to upload the newly downloaded frame. And let's generate this last video. And there we go. So let me again make it full screen and let's see.
And now, Machu Picchu in Peru. This is AI storytelling in action, and I'll show you how to build this step by step. And now, Machu Picchu in Peru. This is AI storytelling in action, and I'll show you how to build this step by step.
So that's how, guys, you can create your own consistent character blogger. And by getting understanding of this JSON format, which of course I'm going to provide you, you can control all the aspect of your character. I hope, guys, you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to AI and productivity. And I will see you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.